Jazz Piano College, and I know I did this song a few years ago, but I thought I'd throw something at you again, and it's by Herman Hupfeld, and of course it's from the great movie. Got a little reharmonization going on here, so use some drop 2 here. Better drop the 2 though. All right, you take a diminished chord here, and it's for 5 saxophones, but we're going to take this saxophone out here and move him down there, and then we just move it around here, F minor, back to the diminished, and then we got to get to B flat, so let's do a half step above it, preparation, and then right into that B flat, and I'm going to do a 3-6-2-5-1 in the next measure, so let me prepare that with an A flat, and then 3, 6, 2, well, I should be going a 3, 6, 2, 5, and maybe, 3, 6, shit, 3, 6, 2, tritone sub, and then into like an 11th chord, and E flat 6 would be the preferred chord here, but a major 7th, using a Berklee College of Music chord formula, gives you this lovely minor 9th that we all love so much. And here we could go to the 4 chord. One of the harmonization rules, reharm rules, is any chord can follow the 1 chord. So we got the 1 chord, could go to A, could go to anything. So there I went to the the flat 5, minor 7 flat 5, which is actually a substitute for the 1 chord. And then moved it on down like this. And maybe F sharp or maybe C7. Probably C7 to support that melody note. And F7, let's see, what could we do here? F7. Let's move it up to an A minor 7 flat 5, which is like the same chord. But that'll take us to a D. We might, this thing is already pretty rich chord-wise, so maybe I'll put an altered dominant there. How can we get out of this? We want to do a 3-6-2-5-1 there on the 2-5-1, so 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. And there, I did the kind of the same progression to the flat 5, and then the 3, and the 6 leads you back to the beginning better than that F minor B flat. So let's keep going again. What did I do? I went. You can make that a 7th chord if you really want to get crazy. So you got to be careful here. If you do, you want a C7 that'll support the melody here if you're going to play it. So let's see what would work. Even that doesn't quite sound right. Sounds better that way. Let's try that. So maybe F7, and then then the 3-6-2-5. Yeah, so, sometimes we can use these surprise chords at the ending, as time goes by, put an E flat or an E there instead of an E flat and resolve it. But you can do that like on the first ending or the second ending as well. Why not? A few ideas for reharmonization on as time goes by. Like and subscribe. Help me out. I appreciate it. And I'll see you again real soon.